Exercise 10.2, question number 9. Y equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x. Find the derivative. Here, y is a function of x. So, differentiating with respect to x. Here, the function is in quotient form, u by v. So, dy by dx equal to, you know the formula, v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. 1 plus cos x into d by dx of sin x minus sin x into d by dx of 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. 1 plus cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x. Here, derivative of 1 constant is 0. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. So, this on simplifying, 1 into cos x plus cos x into cos x, cos square x minus into minus plus sin square x by 1 plus cos x the whole square. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So, 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x whole square. So, 1 plus cos x, we can cancel with this 1 plus cos x. So, cancelling, we get dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x. Next question number 10. Y equal to x by sin x plus cos x. To find the derivative, here the function is in quotient form, again using quotient rule. So, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to sin x plus cos x into d by dx of x minus x d by dx of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x whole square, which is sin x plus cos x, derivative of x is 1 minus x. Here, derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. So, this on simplifying, sin x plus cos x minus x cos x minus into minus plus x sin x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. Again combining the like terms, sin x plus x sin x. Sin x common, so taking sin x outside, sin x into 1 plus x, and here cos x minus x cos x common. So, plus cos x into 1 minus x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. This is dy by dx. Next, question number 11. Find the derivative. Y is equal to tan x minus 1 by secant x. Here the function is in quotient form. So, using quotient rule. So, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to secant x, d by dx of tan x minus 1 minus tan x minus 1 into d by dx of secant x divided by secant x the whole square. Secant x, derivative of tan x is secant square x, 1 is constant, so derivative of 1 is 0, minus tan x minus 1, derivative of secant x is secant x tan x divided by secant square x. So, this on simplifying, secant x into secant square x is secant cube x minus tan x multiply with this. So, secant x tan square x minus of minus is plus, so 1 into this secant x tan x divided by secant square x. For simplification, first two terms secant x common. So taking secant x outside, secant square x minus tan square x plus secant x tan x divided by secant square x. Again, the secant square x minus tan square x is 1. We have this in identity in trigonometry. So this is 1. So secant x plus this secant x tan x by secant square x. Again, secant x is common. Take secant x outside. Secant x into 1 plus tan x by secant square x. Secant x cancel with this secant square x. So, ஒரு secant x cancel ஆயிடும். 1 plus tan x by secant x. Again, simplifying. 1 plus tan x is sin x by cos x by secant x is 1 by cos x. Taking LCM, 1 into cos x. Cos x plus sin x by cos x divided by 1 by cos x. This cos x cancel and you get cos x plus 1 or cos x plus sin x. So dy by dx equal to cos x plus sin x. Next question number 12. Find the derivative. Y is equal to sin x by x square. Here also the function is in quotient form. Y is a function of x. So differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to x square d by dx of sin x minus sin x d by dx of x square by x square the whole square. X square derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x. Derivative of x square is 2x by x square the whole square is x power 4. X square cos x minus 2x sin x by x power 4. Now numerator x common. So taking x outside, x into x cos x minus 2 sin x by x power 4. Cancelling this x with this x power 4 or x cancel ஆயிடும். So dy by dx is x cos x minus 2 sin x divided by x power 3. Next question, question number 13. Y equal to tan theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Here y is a function of theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, dy by d theta. Instead of x we have theta. Here we have product, the function in product, tan theta into sin theta plus cos theta. So using product rule, first term as it is, differentiate the second term, plus second term as it is, differentiate the first term. Tan theta d by d theta of sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta into d by d theta of tan theta. Tan theta. Now here finding derivative. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Now this to simplify, let us multiply. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So multiply. So sin theta by cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta secant square theta. So that I am writing as 1 by cos square theta plus cos theta into secant square theta. That is 1 by cos square theta. Okay, cos theta cancel. So remaining is sin theta minus sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. So here this I am writing as sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos theta. So the cos square theta cos theta into cos theta, split it. And here 1 cos theta cancel. So the remaining is 1 by cos theta. Sin theta. The sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. 1 by cos is secant theta. Then I பின்னாடி எழுதிருக்கேன் minus sin square theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Sin theta plus tan theta secant theta. Here denominator same cos theta. So subtracting numerator 1 minus sin square theta. This numerator 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now again ஒரு cos theta cancel ஆயிடும். So dy by dx is sin theta plus tan theta secant theta plus cos theta. Yes, this is dy by d theta. Next, question number 14. Y equal to cosecant x into cot x. Here y is a function of x and here the function is in product. So using product rule, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to cosecant x into d by dx of cot x plus cot x d by dx of cosecant x. Cosecant x, derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x plus cot x, derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. So the multiply பண்ணிங்கனா minus cosecant cube x multiplying minus cosecant x cot square x. Now minus cosecant x is common. So taking minus cosecant x outside, minus cosecant x into cosecant square x plus cot square x. Rewriting minus cosecant x is 1 by sin x and this is 1 by sin square x. Cot square x is cos square x by sin square x minus 1 by sin x. Look at the denominator, sin square x same. So adding numerator 1 plus cos square x by sin square x. Multiply the denominator. So you get minus 1 plus cos square x divided by sin x into sin squared x is sin cube x. Therefore dy by dx is minus of 1 plus cos square x by sin cube x. Next question number 15. Y equal to x sin x cos x. Here we have product of three functions x, sin x, cos x. To find the derivative, y is a function of x, so differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to, since we have three functions, to find the derivative, keep two terms as it is, differentiate the third term. So அந்த மாதிரி இங்க எப்படி நம்ம பண்றோம் product two function the same way. First two function as it is x sin x d by dx of cos x plus keep first and third term x cos x, differentiate the second term d by dx of sin x plus keep second and third term as it is, differentiate the first term sin x cos x d by dx of x. X sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus x cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x cos x, derivative of x is 1. So multiplying minus x sin x into sin x, sin square x plus x cos x into cos x, cos square x plus sin x cos x. Now in this x common, so taking x outside, cos square x minus sin square x plus sin x cos x. And in trigonometry we have formula for this. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So writing this as cos 2x, we get dy by dx equal to x cos 2x plus sin x cos x.